So here's the camera app that was supposed to be developed. So first of all, when the user clicks on the app, as I clicked just now, uh, a permission is asked from the user whether he allows the app to take pictures and record video or not. And then suppose the user denies this permission, then there is a toast message that is being shown, permission not granted by user. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the permission to allow the camera app to do its work. I mean, we could have done it using the allow button as well. For example, suppose I delete the data of the app and again start the app from scratch. So now again it's asking for the permission. So now suppose I click on allow button, there we go. There's a camera thing, and there's a open music library button as well, by which the user is navigated to music library at library screen. So yeah, as it can be seen, it's working properly. So suppose I click on the home button and then I come back to the app, it's still working. If I click on the back button and then I come back to the app, it's still working. Now suppose I click on the recent screen button and then I return back to the app, it's still working. Suppose I click on the recent screen button and then I click on home button and then I again return back to the app, it's still working. Suppose I change the mode of the app to be landscape mode, it's still working. So yeah, that's the camera part of the app. The other features, I mean image capture feature and other features are not developed because they were not asked. I mean the task did not mention anything like that. So uh, I mean task only mentioned the camera activity to be open. Besides that, when I click on the open music library button, the music library is being shown. So the data here is only moved data, as I mean the original data is to be fetched from the server, which I mean for which I need the API, which I don't have as of now. So yeah, the user is able to swipe through the hot songs and my favorite song. My favorite functionality is not developed as well because the actual data is not present, and I mean since the actual data is not present, so I mean it's the mock data cannot be stored in not stored, but yeah. So refreshment part would be very difficult if the data is stored in local database. So yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Besides that, when the user clicks on the 7 more button, he is shown the other options as was asked, and there's a search thing. Okay, so the search functionality, yeah, that would only be developed if there is a local database present, or the search thing. I mean the query is sent to the server, which I mean in this case both are not present. So the search thing is not working for obvious reasons. So it's pretty much the UI portion. So this list is built upon recycler view, which is an optimized way of showing list in Android, native Android. uh, yeah, besides that, suppose I change the mode to landscape mode. There we go. It's still working. So it's kind of it's an adaptable screen, and as was asked, I mean it works on all the devices. I've checked on uh, two to three other devices as well. So yeah, it's working fine. So yeah, one more thing in this, in the portrait mode, the letters of the buttons here, for example Bollywood top 20 trending featured etc., they kind of getting moved on to the next line, because the screen size, the width of the screen of my device is not that big. So I mean it kind of adapts to the device screen size, width, uh, and I mean react accordingly. So yeah, fluent viewer. Besides that, yeah, that's pretty much it. I think. Yeah, let me know how to move forward with this.